Making money with AI involves leveraging artificial intelligence technologies to create value, solve problems, or enhance products and services in ways that are monetizable. Here are several strategies for doing so. Developing AI applications or services. Custom AI solutions. Build custom AI solutions for businesses looking to automate processes, improve decision-making, or enhance customer experiences. This could involve developing chatbots, recommendation systems, or predictive analytics tools. SaaS products. Create AI-powered software as a service and SaaS products that serve specific industries such as healthcare, finance, or marketing. These products can offer functionalities like automated data analysis, customer behavior prediction, or content personalization. AI consultancy. Offer consultancy services to organizations looking to implement AI but lacking the expertise. This could involve strategic planning, technology selection, system integration, and training staff on AI usage. Content creation. Utilize AI tools for generating content such as articles, videos, or art. AI can help automate parts of the content creation process or enhance creativity, allowing for the production of unique materials that can be monetized through platforms like blogs, YouTube, or digital art galleries. Investing in AI startups. If you have capital, consider investing in AI startups. The AI industry is rapidly growing, and early investments in promising AI ventures can yield significant returns. Educational resources and training. With the growing demand for AI skills, offering courses, workshops, or training programs on AI and machine learning can be profitable. Target audiences can range from beginners to professionals looking to upskill. Developing AI tools for existing markets. Identify gaps in current market offerings where AI can add value. For example, developing AI tools for real estate analysis, stock market predictions, or improving e-commerce experiences can address specific needs and generate revenue. Participating in AI competitions. Participate in AI and machine learning competitions hosted by platforms like Kaggle. Winners often receive monetary prizes, and performing well can lead to job offers or consulting opportunities. Affiliate marketing with AI. Use AI tools to optimize affiliate marketing strategies. AI can analyze data to identify the most profitable niches, optimize ad placements, and personalize content to increase conversion rates. AI in entertainment and gaming. Develop AI-driven games or entertainment apps. AI can be used to create more engaging and interactive experiences, which can attract a larger user base willing to pay for premium features or content. Implementation tips. Stay updated. AI is a fast-evolving field. Continuously learning about new technologies, tools, and methodologies is crucial. Network. Engage with the AI community through forums, social media, and conferences. Networking can lead to partnerships, project opportunities, and insights into emerging trends. Ethical considerations. As you explore ways to monetize AI, consider the ethical implications of your work, including privacy concerns and the impact on employment. Monetizing AI requires a combination of technical skills, market understanding, and entrepreneurial spirit. Identifying a niche where AI can add significant value is key to creating a successful, monetizable product or service. If you're finding this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more similar content.